Okay, so this is relatively straightforward, and because Jerry cuts this wedge, and based on the diagram, you can see that the wedge is getting cut basically in half across the diagonal sort of the cylinder. So one wedge is equal to half the volume um, of the cylinder. So we know the formula of the volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h. So we're going to find out. So r is equal to 8 over 2, right? Because the height is 8. So r is equal to 4. And the height is going to be 6 because that's the straight part, right? So applying that, we get the total is pi 4 square times 6, which is equal to 96 pi. No, but now this is not our answer because we need to remember to half it because this is the volume of the entire cylinder is 96 pi. So when you half it, then you get 48 pi. And then, you kind of multiply it out. So 48 times 3.14. And that approximately turns out to be, when you multiply things out, it should turn out to be nearly 151. So yeah, so that's your answer. Application of formula directly. Okay, next question. Alex and Felicia each have cats as pets. Alex buys cat food in cylindrical cans that are 6 centimeters in diameter and 12 centimeters high. Felicia buys cat food in cylindrical cans that are 12 centimeters in diameter and 6 centimeters high. What is the ratio of the volume of one of Alex's cans to the volume of one of Felicia's cans? This is kind of straightforward. If you try to apply the formula, again, it's a cylinder, so you should be able to just apply the volume formula and find the ratio. So yeah, just think about it and we'll come back and discuss.